All the years that Craig and I have been coming here, I have never taken this trail. I have no idea how I've missed it. So this sign gives information about the tar pits. This trail is just at the end of San Miguel. So if you walk at the end of the loop and then past the parking lot, and there's the railroad track, the beach. I'm on the bicycle path right now. There's a hiking trail, and then the seal sanctuary we found last night. I took a very late night walk and watched the seals, and there's the Chevron property. I think it's an oil refinery, and I'm going to try to see if the seals are there this morning. Those are the train tracks and the bicycle path. This is my view as I'm walking towards the seal sanctuary. The more that we come here, the more that I love it, and that just reveals what a special place this is. Okay, I don't know what this little tunnel leads to, but let's find out. It looks like this is a wall blocking some property on the other side, and then you've got these steps that lead down here. Campground is that way. Ocean is out there. It's, as you can see, a really cloudy day. There was no sun yesterday. And then I'm going to cross over to where the Chevron property is. Well, the property actually extends all this other side of the tracks forever and ever. But past this is where the seal sanctuary is. Okay, here's the end of the Chevron parking lot. Here's a sign, and that way is the seal sanctuary. These vultures are kind of flying all over. They are really big birds. They're all along the edge here. Last night we saw some seals coming in from the water, and then some seals going back out into the water. They must be having some sort of powwow. There's like 6 of them sitting on that branch down there now.